Hello, today I'm gonna make a gelatin-based bioplastic. The ingredients are 100 milliliters of water, 6 grams of glycerin, and 20 grams of gelatin. Add water, glycerin, and gelatin into a pot. Cook over medium heat and stir until the gelatin is dissolved. You have to stir around 2 or 3 minutes. Now the gelatin is completely dissolved, so you have to remove the froth so it has a smooth, glossier look. And pour it on a smooth surface. It will take a day to dry, and after it is dried, this is how the sheet will look like. And you can make bags from it. This is how the bag looks like. And the final product looks like this. And you can put salad, pasta, rice, or other foods in it. Thank you.